While doing some research on stair safety and trying to answer a question from one of our viewers, I came across something that I know would be interesting to lawyers. However, it should be more important to property owners who are going to have to deal with the lawsuits from the lawyers about stairway safety. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's a regular set of stairs, 11-inch deep step and a 7-inch riser. And here's one with a longer step and a smaller riser. And of course, a shorter step and a taller riser. And what I want to talk about is the angle somebody might fall while going up or down the stairway. And you can see here with our stairway with a 9-inch tread and an 8-inch riser. And this is actually the minimum step and the maximum riser height in some areas. You could end up falling 48 degrees. And on our stairway with an 11-inch tread and a 7-inch riser, which is probably going to be the building codes for a public stairway, you're going to end up falling forward a little bit more at 57 degrees. And on our stairway with a 16-inch long step and a 5-inch tall riser, you're going to end up falling 73 degrees. So you're going to fall a little bit more going up a stairway that would be viewed safer for most of the people who have a difficult time using stairs with taller risers and shorter steps. So when it comes to going up a set of stairs, you could actually fall farther on a set of stairs that most people view as safer. So again, let's recap this with 73 degrees, 57 degrees, and 48 degrees going up a set of stairs. And when it comes to going down a set of stairs, you could fall 101 degrees with this one here. And of course, a little bit farther with our stairway that might be used for a public stairway. And of course, you're going to fall a little bit farther with the steepest stairway in this video. And I just wanted to make property owners aware of the importance of selecting the correct design for your project, because if someone falls at the top of a stairway like this with 13 or 14 steps, there's a good chance they're going all the way down to the bottom. Whereas with a situation like this, you're probably not going to make it down the entire stairway. And even though this stairway here seems like it's going to provide you with the lowest degrees falling forward, you could still end up slipping, falling forward, and then sliding down the stairway all the way to the bottom. Whereas in this one here, that's probably not going to happen. And of course, I made this video because I thought this information was interesting. I never really thought about it before and just wanted to share it with my viewers.